Okay, December 2015 questions. Which of the following statement is true for the lanthanides? The option A, the observed magnetic momentum of europium at room temperature is higher than that calculated spin orbital coupling. Lanthanide oxide are predominantly acidic nature. The stability of samarium 3 due to its half-filled F subshell. Lanthanide ion can be separated by the lanthanide 3 ion can be separated by the ion exchange chromatography. Just we have to know about that. Calculate the magnetic momentum of europium is a 0. That's why it come under that is a higher spin that can be calculated from spin orbital coupling. The observed magnetic momentum of europium will be shown that 0 at room temperature higher than the calculated spin orbital coupling. Okay, next one is that it's right. Next one is that lanthanide oxide are predominantly acidic nature. Lanthanides are oxides are predominantly acidic nature. This one is also right. Next one is that lanthanide can be separated by the ion exchange chromatography. What is that meaning beyond? What is a lanthanide is a trivalent method. Is a chemical property through this one is ion exchange chromatography. And next one is C. The stability of the samarium. Stability of the samarium due to its half-filled F subshell. Samarium is shown that C. Samarium 3 is a 4f6 electrons are filled. Is not in a half-filled orbital. It's not a half-filled orbital. It's not a half-filled orbital. Okay, due to its half-filled orbital, this is stronger. Answer is last final answer A, B, D. These three statements are correct. Okay, next one. The 2016 June question. I think it's a 4 marks question. I think it is a 4-mark question given. The G value of the cerium is a 4f1 and that promethium is 4f2 are respectively. I just we have to be first one. Just we have to be saw that cerium plus 3 4f1. Okay, just look at that cerium complex f1 orbital given. Okay, L equal to how much it is? L equal to 3, S is equal to half, G is equal to L minus S. You have to be solved. What is the formula G? G is equal to 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 plus G into G plus 1 divided by 2J J plus 1. Just we have to subtract this value. 1 plus half plus 1 L 3 plus 1 J. What is the J value? 3 minus half 5 by 2 divided by 2 into 5 by 2 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus half 3 by 2 minus 3 into 4 plus 5 by 2 7 by 2 divided by how much it is 17. This we have to 5 to 10 10 plus 7 17 by 4. Okay, next we have to be substitute this value first. 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 48. Okay, 12 divided by plus 35 by 4 divided by 17 by 4, and that value multiply by 4 divided by 4. How much it is? 1 plus 3 by 4, 48 by 4 plus 35 by 4 plus 17 by 4. Okay, next just substitute this value. 1 plus minus 10 by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 17. 4 cancel, 10 ones are, 10 sevens are, minus 1 by 7, 6 by 7. This is the answer. And next one is that okay, we have to know about that electronic configuration. Promethium will be 4f3, but they are to given the 4f2. Why this CSR given that 4f2 for that question? Okay, just this is the electronic configuration of promethium complex. Promethium given how much it is? 4f3, 5d1, 6s2. Okay, given. But CSR examination given 4f2 only. How it is possible 4f2? For the electronic configuration of promethium complex E54 atomic number and xenon 4f2, 5d1 and 6s2. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of promethium. Just plus 3 means 4f, so 4f3. Okay, this one is at a observed value, observed electronic configuration. Okay, this is a observed electronic configuration, but CSR given